Think about this for a second. It's the hottest day of summer, and your building's water system becomes a breeding ground for Legionnaires disease, a silent but deadly bacteria. The risk? A full-blown disease outbreak. Scary, right? Now, what if I told you that the risk skyrockets in summer due to higher water temperatures? This could be a major health hazard in your facility. Here's the kicker. Assessments that work in cooler months might not cut it now. It's like using a fan to cool down on a 100-degree day, ineffective and frustrating. So what's the solution? Intensify your control measures. Think about increasing the frequency of water system checks, and don't shy away from shock disinfection procedures to kill lurking bacteria before it becomes a problem. Remember, it's not just about staying compliant with health standards. It's about protecting lives, ensuring that every person who walks into your building walks out healthy. So I challenge you, reinforce your defence against Legionnaires disease this summer. Make it a priority, because when the heat is on, the risk is real. Stay cool, stay safe, and keep those assessments thorough. If you need help with compliance, get in touch today and we'll gladly help.